Welcome to our one very interesting stock analysis video on Nestle India. This is a privilege to me to do an analysis on this stock because Nestle is the first stock that I bought in the secondary market way back in 1990, borrowing 1900 rupees from my mother and buying 4 shares of Nestle at 475 rupees each. Today the stock is 16,000 rupees a share, gone up 32 times its value what I purchased, and in the last 20 years given 300% of the value of my purchase as dividends to its shareholders. Today I don't own any stock of Nestle, while in the process of my 30-year stock market career I have bought and sold Nestle several times, made tons of money from this stock, and also have lost in several of my trades because trading does not have all the trades as winners. So that being my story, let's go into the analysis of the stock. How many of you have not consumed a product that is made by Nestle? I believe there will be none, right? Each one of the individual in this world would have consumed a Nestle product in his lifetime. That is the penetration that Nestle has among the population of this world. Nestle has been there in business since 1866. It's been about 150 plus years since it's been in existence, and it will be there for another 150 years and even later. So if somebody is looking at investing in Nestle as a business, it is a gold mine to invest. They are doing business with 5% sales growth year on year. That is, in 14 years time Nestle will have doubled its sales. Very slow, very low, right? Look at the profits. In this current year 2019-20, profit growth on Nestle was 23%. In the last 5 years, profit growth was average 30%. That means Nestle has been consistently working on growing their profits. Sales is growing one side, profit is going multifold on the other side. So this brings huge growth for the stock, and that is why we see the price at 16,000 rupees today. Now coming to dividends. If you are investing in a business, it should be giving you some returns if you are looking at long-term investments, right? So dividends, as of this year, the stock is having a 2.12% dividend yield, while current year there was a special dividend of about 180 rupees per share. Taking that aside, the dividend yield on the stock is about 1%. We will think, why should we invest in a stock that is giving only 1% dividend yield? Obviously, at current price, the dividend yield is 1%. The stock has come up a long way. It will start going down for some time. So somebody is looking at a lifetime investment in Nestle, you can start buying the stock. Like say you want to buy for 1 lakh, start buying for 20,000 rupees first. That is 20% of whatever you are planning to invest now. Go ahead and buy now itself, and keep adding when the stock keeps going down 3%. Every time it reaches 3% lower from the price you have bought, add 20%. So you will ask, when the stock is going to go down 15%, why should I buy it now? I can wait and buy it later, right? This is a good question. While we are investing in a gold mine stock, which is a product, which is a business that whole world consumes. So we don't know how the stock will perform. It might go down. If it goes down, the range for its downward movement is, it should reach between 15,000 to 13,200. That is the value zone for the stock in the monthly time periods. If not, the value zone will start climbing and the price will remain same. Either way, it will not go up for now. It is going to stay here or go down. So instead of waiting for the price to correct, start buying. You will probably, if suppose it is going down only 10%, then you would have bought 3 chunks, not 5 chunks. Still you would have already been invested. This is for lifetime investment in the stock to have dividend yields, and later on whatever money is not invested, you can buy in some other stocks. Suppose you are looking at a long-term investment, not a lifetime investment. This is long-term investment to profit on the stock's price move. For that, this is not the right time to buy the stock because it has climbed up a very strong climb it has had. If we see this chart, there is two peaks. The second peak is far higher than the first one, while if you see the MACD histogram indicator, it shows a lower high when the new price high came in the month of April. So that shows there is weakness getting built in the stock and it has to take some rest before going up. And that's the reason we are saying stock will go down, and we don't know. I told the range between 15,000 to 13,200. It can stay above and zone can come up, or it can go there and have a strength built up from there. So if you are looking at long term, wait for the price to correct or get into a sideways range and then break out. After that you buy. You will for sure have good returns when that strength gets built up. This is for long term, that is on the monthly chart. Now when we go to short term investments, we have to track the weekly chart. Here in this weekly chart, we see multiple bearish divergences. This tops on the price and the top on the indicators. We can see lot of lower highs on the indicator. That shows there is good amount of weakness getting built in the stock's prices. So chances of it going down is far higher than it going up. Here it will take some time to build up strength. Once this chart forms a base and starts ticking up, that's the time to buy and we can make money. Nestle has been rewarding its investors beautifully in the last, I think, 3 or 4 decades. It will continue to do though, because it is a consumption business. People will keep consuming the product of this business. Why I am saying that? When the whole world went into a pandemic lockdown and we shut down everything, businesses collapsed. At that time too, Nestle climbed 8% on its price. That is the beauty of this stock. It keeps going up immaterial of whatever the situation in the global arena, because the products that the company manufactures have to be consumed by people at every time. So if you want to know when the stock is coming for buy, either it in short term or long term, write to us. We will add you to the group in which we keep publishing the stock buying recommendations, which you can use to invest your money and grow your wealth. Thank you. Thank you for the subscriber who asked us to talk about Nestle, which brought me the advantage. I love to talk about Nestle because that is a stock which is to my heart. Thank you once again.